In the realm of DevOps, effective project documentation is crucial for seamless collaboration and knowledge sharing. This presentation delves into the methodologies and tools used to document projects, focusing on configuring wikis and creating process diagrams. We'll explore the use of Markdown for text formatting and Mermaid syntax for diagram creation, ensuring that your documentation is both comprehensive and visually engaging. Documentation serves as the backbone of any project, providing a single source of truth for all team members. It ensures that everyone is on the same page, facilitates onboarding, and aids in troubleshooting. In DevOps, where continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) are key, having well-documented processes and workflows is essential for maintaining efficiency and consistency. Wikis are collaborative platforms that allow teams to create, share, and manage documentation in a structured manner. In DevOps, wikis can be used to document everything from project requirements and design specifications to deployment procedures and troubleshooting guides. They provide a centralized repository of knowledge that is easily accessible and editable by all team members. Configuring a wiki involves setting up the structure, permissions, and content organization. Start by defining the main categories and subcategories that will house your documentation. Assign permissions to ensure that only authorized users can edit or view certain sections. Use templates to maintain consistency across different pages and make it easier for team members to contribute. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that allows you to format text using plain text syntax. It is widely used in wikis for its simplicity and readability. With Markdown, you can create headings, lists, links, images, and more. For example, to create a heading, you use the # symbol followed by the heading text. To create a list, you use -- followed by the list item. Beyond basic formatting, Markdown supports advanced features like tables, code blocks, and footnotes. Tables are created using pipes and hyphens, while code blocks are enclosed in triple backticks. Footnotes are added using square brackets and carets. These features allow you to create more detailed and structured documentation, enhancing readability and usability. Mermaid is a JavaScript-based diagramming and charting tool that uses text-based syntax to create diagrams. It is particularly useful in wikis for visualizing processes, workflows, and data flows. Mermaid supports various types of diagrams, including flowcharts, sequence diagrams, and Gantt charts. Its integration with Markdown makes it a powerful tool for enhancing your documentation. Flowcharts are essential for visualizing processes and workflows. With Mermaid, you can create flowcharts using simple text syntax. For example, graph TD AACBD creates a flowchart with nodes A, B, C, and D, and arrows indicating the flow between them. This visual representation helps team members understand complex processes at a glance. Sequence diagrams are used to illustrate interactions between different components or actors in a system. In Mermaid, you can create sequence diagrams using the sequence diagram keyword followed by the interactions. For example, Alice Bob, hello Bob, Bob Alice, hi Alice, creates a sequence diagram showing a conversation between Alice and Bob. These diagrams are invaluable for documenting communication flows and system interactions. Gantt charts are used for project planning and tracking. Mermaid allows you to create Gantt charts using the Gantt keyword followed by the tasks and timelines. For example, Gantt, title, project timeline, section phase 1, task 1, done, desk 1, 2023-0101, 2023-00110. Task 2, active, desk 2, 2023-0111, 2023-0120, creates a Gantt chart with 2 tasks in phase 1. This helps in visualizing project schedules and tracking progress. Integrating wikis with diagrams enhances the clarity and comprehensiveness of your documentation. By embedding Mermaid diagrams within your Markdown wiki pages, you provide visual context to the textual information. This integration helps in better understanding and retention of information, making your documentation more effective and user-friendly. To ensure your documentation is effective, follow best practices such as keeping it up to date, using clear and concise language, and organizing content logically. Regularly review and update your documentation to reflect changes in processes or systems. Encourage team members to contribute and provide feedback to continuously improve the quality of your documentation. Effective documentation is a cornerstone of successful DevOps practices. By configuring wikis and using Markdown and Mermaid syntax, you can create comprehensive and visually engaging documentation. Start by setting up your wiki structure. Familiarize yourself with Markdown and Mermaid, and begin documenting your processes and workflows. Regularly update and refine your documentation to ensure it remains relevant and useful.